So now let's see how we can work around with undo and redo inside of Google Drawings. So over here you can see that I have a canvas, and over here I'm just going to go around bringing a shape. So let's go around and then copy and paste this around by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V right here. So here I got 4 shapes, and I'm just going to go around and color these out as well. So let's just go around, color these out in different ways right here. Well, let's say I want to revert back this step right here. I don't like what I'm doing right here, so I'm just going to resize this as well. So if you want to revert back into previous steps, then you can go around and press the undo button over here on the top left. Click once, it goes back 1 step, that is to the previous state. Click again and it goes back right here. You can also go to edit right here and click on undo, or press Ctrl Z on your keyboard as well. If you want to revert back again, that is, you don't want to undo, then you can go around, click on the redo button right here, or press Ctrl Y on your keyboard, or you can go around over here and redo from over here as well. So if I were to go around and undo this out a couple of times and then make some changes, now I cannot redo anymore. What happens when you redo is that it just repeats out the last step right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to resize, that is the latest step. So if I were to redo this, then what happens is that it repeats out the step right here, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and rotate this right here just a bit, you can redo right here, and you can see that it keeps on rotating out to the same angle right here. So if I were to go around right here, make some changes right here, you can see that it redoes the steps right there. So if I were to go around, change the color, there's nothing to redo because the color is already applied. So that is how it actually works around with. So you can go around and then use the redo and undo right here. And if you want to repeat the step right here at the end, if I were to go around, you can see that the redo will actually help to repeat out the step as well. And that is how you can work around with undo and redo inside of Google Drawings. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.